Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to spend gems in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. The best way to spend your gems is by saving up and pulling from the Oracle M-Stone banner. Focus on collecting all Oracle gear and upgrading each piece to Legendary. Once your gear hits Legendary, you can aim for Legendary +3 without needing extra copies of the S-grade equipment. Hold on to any extra S-grade copies as future rarities may be introduced. Next, focus on rune ruins. Start pulling runes and try to upgrade all of them to Epic. Once your runes reach Epic, you unlock the first etched rune slot. When an event like the fishing event appears, use your gems to get the event currency and exchange it for great runes. After that, continue pulling from the Oracle banner until you get a mythic Oracle spear. Also, check the daily shop and buy hero shards. They're cheap and add up over time. Go for the Oracle armor as well, as it provides diagonal arrows that synergize with the spear. Once you have your main gear at Mythic, you can begin upgrading your runes to Legendary. This unlocks the second etched rune slot. Use guild or arena shop currency for keys or blessing runes, especially the Revive rune, which is rare but valuable. So, that's basically how you can spend gems in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.